Welcome to the world of digital marketing in 2024. Digital marketing is all about promoting products and services using the internet and digital channels. It's an ever changing field that helps businesses reach their customers and achieve their marketing goals. In 2024, there are few important trends to keep in mind. First, artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing a big role. These technologies help businesses personalize their marketing efforts and provide better customer experiences. Video content is also becoming more popular. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are great for businesses to engage with their audience and showcase their products or services. Social media is still a big part of digital marketing. Platforms like Facebook and Instagrams allow businesses to connect with their customers and build brand awareness. Influencer marketing is also on the rise, where businesses collaborate with popular social media users to promote their products. Digital marketing is not just a tool for promotion. It's a way to build meaningful relationships with customers and adapt to the changing digital landscape. So, in this video on Digital Marketing Roadmap 2024, we will understand about digital marketing and its salary structure. We will also understand the step-by-step roadmap in which we will be covering learning path to become a digital marketing professional. But before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. So, what does ROI stand for in digital marketing? Option A is return on investment. Option B is reach of impressions. Option C is revenue on investment. And option D is rate of interaction. Now you can pause this video and answer in the comment section below. Alright, now let's start with the first topic, which is digital marketing professional salary. So the salary of a digital marketing professional can vary depending on factors such as experience, location, industry, and the size of the company. In general, digital marketing professionals can earn a competitive salary. For entry-level positions or those with less experience, the average salary can range from $40,000 to $60,000 per year. As professionals gain more experience and expertise in the field, their salaries can increase significantly. A mid-level digital marketing professionals with a few years of experience can expect to earn between $60,000 to $90,000 per year. Then comes the senior level digital marketing professional with extensive experience and a proven track record of success can earn salaries up to $100,000 per year. So all these salaries varies depending upon the position of the digital marketing professional. Alright, so this was about the digital marketing and digital marketing salary. Now let's move on and understand the digital marketing roadmap for 2024. Alright. So here are the basic steps and the learning path if you are looking to become a successful digital marketer. First of all, learn the essentials of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses various techniques and methods used to promote websites or products online. It is not a single discipline but rather a collection of strategies that businesses can employ to reach their target audience. By utilizing these techniques, businesses can increase their online visibility, attract more website visitors, and ultimately drive conversions and sales. Digital marketing is essential in today's digital age as it allows businesses to effectively connect with their audience and achieve their marketing goals. So this was about the essentials of digital marketing, that you have to learn these essentials of digital marketing. Alright, now coming to the second part, that is understanding SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is a crucial aspect of digital marketing. It involves optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results page. To master SEO, one must focus on keyword research and on-page optimization techniques. This involves identifying relevant keywords and incorporating them strategically into website content. Additionally, understanding link building and backlink analysis is important for building authority and credibility. Technical SEO knowledge is also necessary, including optimizing website speed and ensuring a well-structured site. By mastering YouTube SEO, Google SEO, local SEO, etc., businesses can enhance their online presence and attract organic traffic from search engines. So, if you are interested in advancing your career, consider postgraduate program in digital marketing by Simplilearn. This comprehensive program offers certification as a digital marketer through live interactive learning. Dive deep into fundamental and advanced digital marketing strategies utilizing Harvard Business publishing cases, student simulations, and hands-on participation in 20 plus projects. Access the full spectrum of digital marketing tools with ChatGPT and AI tools, complemented by 35 plus dedicated resources. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Check the link in the description box. Alright, now coming to the second step of the learning process, that is PPC advertising. PPC advertising, or pay per click advertising, is a powerful digital marketing strategy that allows you to create and oversee campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads. This skillful approach involves keyword binding, where you choose the words or phrases for which your ads will appear. You must learn ad targeting, ensuring your ads reach the right audience. Crafting compelling ad copies is another essential aspect, as it entices potential customers to click. Monitoring campaign performance is crucial, enabling you to tweak and optimize for better results. So this was about PPC, that is pay per click advertising. Now coming to the next step, which is learn social media marketing. Social media marketing is a crucial aspect of promoting websites effectively. Depending on the nature of the website, it is essential to explore various social media networks such as Twitter, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Each platform offers unique opportunities to engage with different target audience and expand brand visibility. To succeed in social media marketing, one must possess the necessary skills to create compelling content, engage with users, and analyze data to optimize strategies. So, learning social media marketing is another very important step if you are planning to become a digital marketing professional. The next step of the process would be conduct content marketing campaigns. So, learning how to conduct marketing campaigns is a crucial skill for aspiring digital marketers. It involves identifying target audience, creating diverse content strategies, and maintaining consistency in content delivery. Monitoring key metrics like website traffic and engagement rates is vital for success. By mastering these skills, individuals can excel in the dynamic field of digital marketing, adapting strategies based on the audience behavior and data insights. Gaining proficiency in a campaign management is a fundamental step towards becoming a successful digital marketer. Alright, now coming to the another step, which is knowledge of email marketing. So, email marketing is a powerful strategy for businesses to engage with their audience. By learning how to build effective email marketing campaigns, you can create compelling content that resonates with your subscribers. Understanding email automation and segmentation allows you to send targeted messages based on customer preferences and behavior. Utilizing email marketing platforms and tools streamlines the process and helps you track campaign performance. Alright, coming to the next part, which is learn data analysis and reporting tools. Yes, data analysis and reporting tools are essential for digital marketers to make informed decisions and optimize their campaigns. Some popular tools include Google Analytics, which provides detailed insights into website traffic and user behavior, and Google Data Studio, which allows marketers to create visually appealing reports and dashboards. Other tools like SEMrush and AmazZ help with keyword research and competitor analysis. These tools enable marketers to track key metrics, identify trends, and measure the success of their digital marketing efforts, ultimately leading to more effective strategies and improved ROI. Alright, now the next step would be updated with the latest trends. So the digital marketing industry is constantly evolving with changes happening on daily basis. This makes it an exciting and challenging profession. As experts must continuously learn and adapt, the dynamic nature of digital marketing ensures that the professionals never get bored, as there are always new strategies, technologies, and trends to explore. Staying updated is crucial to success in the field, as it allows marketers to leverage the latest tools and techniques to reach their target audience effectively. So, the last step would be start looking for opportunities. To kickstart a career in digital marketing, it's crucial to build a strong portfolio and resume. Start by showcasing your skills and expertise in various digital marketing areas such as social media management, content creation, SEO, and analytics. Include any relevant project campaigns or certifications you have completed. Once your portfolio is ready, begin searching for jobs that align with your interests and goals. Tailor your resume to highlight your relevant experience and skills. And don't forget to network and leverage online platforms to increase your chances of landing your dream job. Again, if you're looking to build your career in digital marketing, then PGP, that is Postgraduate Program in Digital Marketing, is an ideal choice. So the eligibility criteria for this program is at least 2 years of experience preferred, a bachelor's degree in any discipline, marketing or non-marketing background. So these three are the eligibility criteria for this program. So this was the roadmap that you can follow if you are interested and wanted to become a digital marketing professional in 2024. By mastering these skills, earning certifications and gaining hands-on experience, you are equipping yourself with the tools needed to thrive in this dynamic field. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.